नॉर्थ स्टार का लफ्ज़ बहुत भारी है, सो मैं ये प्रेशर नहीं उठा सकती अकेले. टीच फॉर पाकिस्तान होपफुली इज़ अ नॉर्थ स्टार इन एंड ऑफ itself, but certainly not me alone. Thank you very much to our incredible alumni who are already showing us what is possible out there. Distinguished guests, हमारे partners, Madam Vijaya Kamar, so kind of you to join us. Our board members, हमारे fellows, हमारे अलमनाई जो आज कमरे में हैं, हमारे फेलोज़ के वालिदैन, हमारे बच्चे, हमारे स्टूडेंट्स जो आज हमारे साथ बैठे हुए हैं, मेरी टीम टीच फॉर पाकिस्तान की, आप सबको मेरा सलाम. मैं इतनी ज़्यादा ओवरवेल्म्ड हूँ आज के मौके के ऊपर क्योंकि ये बहुत बड़ा मौका है, बहुत बड़ा माइलस्टोन है. बार बार हम ये लफ्ज़ सुन रहे हैं, 10th कोहॉर्ट. हमारे लिए इस 10th कोहॉर्ट का मानी क्या है? This is 10 generations of commitment and courage. Each generation has stepped into schools, into classrooms, into communities, but more than that, into a life of service. Each person who has joined this movement has come in carrying the belief that the systems that are built by people can also be rebuilt by people who have the courage to choose justice, to choose hope, and to choose action. Our 10th cohort takes the pledge today. I hope it is a pledge that all of you will be taking with us. The pledge that they take is one to stand by Pakistan's children. हम खड़े रहेंगे पाकिस्तान के बच्चे के साथ. It is a pledge to lead with the clarity that can come only by witnessing inequity this close. It is a pledge that we will together advance the national movement for every single child's right to have an excellent education. So आज हम जिन 50 टीचर लीडर्स को सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, साथ साथ हम उनके 5,300 स्टूडेंट लीडर्स को भी सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, जिन्होंने 24 स्कूल कम्युनिटीज़ में अक्रॉस द लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ ऑफ आवर ब्यूटिफुल नेशनल कैपिटल काम किया है, और इस काम को एडवांस किया है हमारे मुल्क के लिए, सिर्फ एक शहर के लिए नहीं. उनमें से कुछ की आवाज़ें आज आप सुनेंगे. You will hear from some of these incredible leaders, the people who we hope are going to be running our country in the next few decades. Right? And they will take you into the world of truth and beauty that they have been experiencing together for the past 2 years. I hope you will join them in that world wholeheartedly today. ये जो 10th कोहॉर्ट है, इसकी एक बहुत स्पेशल बात ये है कि ये हमारी फेडरल एजुकेशन मिनिस्ट्री के एजुकेशन फेलोज प्रोजेक्ट का भी तीसरा बैच है जो आज ग्रेजुएट कर रहा है. एंड दैट इज़ वन मोर रीज़न कि ये एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत और इम्पॉर्टेंट माइलस्टोन है हमारे लिए. आज ये जो वादा हम सब कर रहे हैं, इट इज़ लाउडर देन एवर दैट वी विल कंटिन्यू टू वर्क until every child in our country has the opportunity to experience an education system that is going to enable them to grow into loving, thinking, and engaged human beings. इससे ज़्यादा बड़ी नीड शायद इस वक्त ना हमारे मुल्क की है और ना शायद इस दुनिया की है. आज का ये प्लेज एक बहुत पावरफुल पार्टनरशिप की कमेंसमेंट है जो कि हमारी फेडरल एजुकेशन मिनिस्ट्री, यूके के FCDO ऑफिस और टीच फॉर पाकिस्तान इटसेल्फ के बीच में पिछले 4 साल से चली आ रही है. मेरे अपने लिए ये एक बहुत स्पेशल पर्सनल माइलस्टोन है. वो सवाल जो मुझसे सबसे ज़्यादा पूछा जाता है टीच फॉर पाकिस्तान के बारे में वो ये है, हाउ डू वी स्केल टीच फॉर पाकिस्तान's impact? And today, with 10 cycles of doing this work, now that we have built it, I think I have one answer to this question. And it is a 2-part answer. First, we are going to show by doing. We have built a model of excellence in teaching, in teacher recruitment, in teacher education that proves what is possible in the hardest of circumstances. जिस RAND study की बार-बार बात हो रही है, we're so grateful that this RAND study has proved what we were seeing all of these years. It is an independent evaluation of our work, and it is telling us that in just 6 months, students in Teach for Pakistan classrooms are making between 6 and 16 months of additional learning gains over and above their peers in controlled classrooms. That's a huge, huge thing. And the credit is certainly not mine. It is our fellows, and it is our program team and the alumni who work on that team. But we've shown what is possible when teachers teach for conceptual understanding, when they teach to motivate their students to learn, when they cultivate caring classroom environments, and when they empower their students to lead the learning process, above all. So that's the first part of my two-part answer to that very important question I'm asked every day. Part two, our alumni. We have always had incredible, inspiring anecdotes of how our alumni are reshaping not just government policy and execution around the country, but the entire ecosystem that surrounds our children through their work on EdTech, on community upliftment, on teacher development, on school transformation, health and nutrition, via corporate social responsibility, and so many other pathways that they've chosen to take. But this year, we gathered data that is telling us that our 308 alumni have expanded opportunities for more than 1.8 million children across Pakistan. This is our answer to enduring, far-reaching, and systemic impact. This is our answer to scale. And this is why we need your help to continue to do the work that we are doing and to continue to grow this work. So you've already seen this pledge card, जो कि आपको ये QR कोड हमारी वेबसाइट पे लेके जा रहा है, जहां आपको आज के प्रोग्राम के बारे में और इन फेलोज जो आज ग्रेजुएट करें इस प्रोग्राम से उनकी जर्नी के बारे में और सीखने को मिलेगा. बट मेरी डेवलपमेंट एंड पार्टनरशिप्स टीम मुझे माफ़ नहीं करेगी अगर मैंने ये भी ना मेंशन किया कि यही QR कोड आपको हमारी वेबसाइट पे लेके जा रहा है, जहां एक छोटा सा खूबसूरत सा ग्रीन रंग का डोनेट का बटन है. So, if part of your pledge to support Teach for Pakistan means that you would like to offer up your resources, we would be very, very happy to accept them. As we set to graduate this 10th cohort, मैं अपनी टीम, अपने पार्टनर्स, अपने डोनर्स, अपने बोर्ड मेंबर्स से एक बात कहना चाहती हूँ, माशाल्लाह, we've done it, right? 10 times we have stood as a lighthouse that is a call to action. 10 times that we have sought the people whose hearts beat in tune to ours. And 10 times they have responded in bigger and bigger numbers each time. 10 times that we have poured heart, soul, experience, knowledge, every ounce of skill and beauty that we have into shaping these incredible young people. 10 times that we let our hearts break, that we take every risk and put everything on the line to extend the opportunity to learn and to grow. And 10 times they rise as this beautiful mosaic that overshadows every individual weakness and fear. And now, this 10th time, that we send them into this world with love and with a mission. This 10th time that we put our trust into the bonds that we have carved out of vision and values, out of shared hardship, and a tremendous amount of shared joy. This, Teach for Pakistan, is the most special of places because it houses people's dreams and people's truest selves. And we, all of us, we are the guardians, the builders, the protectors, the nurturers, the caretakers of this home. What a privilege and what a blessing. The 10th cohort is graduating. The 11th is entering its final stretch as the start year 2 of teaching. And the 12th is already here. So the future is today. and the future is bright. Thank you very much.